get the smart car on and off, there are two ramps. They're 10 foot long. They fold down, and I drive it off, and there's a winch on the other side. Winch it back on.
Really?
These chucks then go on, and I put a little wheel basket to hold them in place, and that's all there is to it. It takes about maybe 15 minutes to load it and about 7 minutes to unload it. And it allows us to have a little runabout when we're camping someplace, to go to the grocery store or to a movie or something. We don't have to take the big truck. I've got a little cheat system set up here. A white line here and a white line here.
Oh yeah.
And I got to try to find a piece of white tape that I'll put onto the kingpin there, so that I can really just kind of line them all up, and with the backup camera. I'll need a partner. My wife will help me hitch up to the trailer, but with the white line it makes it easier to line up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And you got the heavy duty hitch pin on that.
Yes, I went with the Gen Y hitch pin, the new torsion bar hitch pin, which I'm really excited about. It's supposed to save a lot of wear and tear on the trailer, makes it a much more solid pull. So I'm excited to be using it. There are bunk beds, two beds. There is a little booth table that folds down into a second bed. I've got a refrigerator. I've got a place for a microwave, a place for a porta potty, closets, plenty of storage up above. I can stand up. I'm 6'4". I can stand up in there to take off a coat or put on a coat. The seats have air bolsters in each side of the back seat back, as well as on the seat cushions, so you can conform them to your body to make you comfortable. The seat goes up and down. There's air on the inside here. It's all air ride, so you set it up to whatever distance that you want. The seat will rock back and forth with the bumps, as well as go up and down with the air. So it just makes it for a super smooth ride. It's like you're floating down the highway. These trucks are made for commercial truckers, obviously, to drive 80 to 100,000 miles a year and not get fatigued. A driver that's not fatigued is a safe driver. And so everything about these trucks is made for convenience and to save the driver from becoming fatigued.
Yeah.
I had it manufactured or modified or converted, whatever you want to say, in Calgary, Canada, and drove it from there here to Elkhart in 4 days. And I mean, I wasn't as tired at the end of each day as I am driving my car 600 miles.
So what are some of the upgrades that you got?
The generator.
Okay.
The new Gen Y pin box, which is supposed to be the cat's meow. We're looking forward to using that and giving it a good test. But this is just supposed to be much more durable and stable and easy on the trailer. We opted to take the furniture out that was in here. We're going to go with different furniture when we get home. There's a Lazy Boy product that I think we're going to go with that would suit our needs more so than the standard furniture that was in here, although it was very nice. We've got the regular, or a conventional, I should say, residential stove, 4-burner gas stove, with a full-size oven and a broiler. We've got the full-size conventional French door refrigerator. All LG products. We've got the convection microwave oven. We went with the bath and a half. We've got a forward full bath with twin sinks, and then we've got the little half bath here.
Still burning your oil.
Powder room, whatever you want to call it.
Okay. So those are upgraded toilets?
Yeah, these are macerator.
The macerator.
toilets.
That's
All ceramic
That's
macerator
nice.
toilet.
that's the way to do it.
King size bed. Bathroom has the twin sinks
Yeah, this
in
is
here. One feature I love about Luxe is the medicine cabinets, or vanity cabinets, whatever you want to call them, are almost as deep as my arm. There's lots of storage in there. Lots and lots of storage in there.
Yeah.
And then there's under sink storage as well. Full shower. We've got the washer dryer in the closet.